You do not require any complex font-related CSS knowledge in most cases. If you are using online font hosts such as Google Fonts or Adobe Fonts, you have to simply enter a single line of provided code into head of your website as shown on screen. If you are using website builder platforms such as Shopify, GoDaddy, Wix, Weebly, and Squarespace, you do not even require entering a single line of CSS code. You simply select your favorite font from the font list and the rest is done by the platform, as I am doing here in my Squarespace website. For WordPress website, you can install a plugin for easy embedding of font files on your website. Optionally, some website builder platforms allow custom CSS tweaks, but they also discourage it. For example, Squarespace allows CSS tweaking, but they have clearly stated that support will be revoked in this case. Therefore, on most website building platforms, you do not need to learn or write complex CSS for implementing fonts. You can learn more about font usage tips in next videos by Dozero. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages. You may also look into description below for some useful links. Thank you so much for your time.